Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, I wanted to come on here very quickly and I wanted to film a video on ways to get a Telfar handbag. I get asked often how I get my hands on Telfar bags. And then there are also people that I'll watch their Instagram and they're like, how do you get your hands on the Telfar bag? How do you get your hands on a Telfar bag? And I'm going to share with you guys just the basics. And he'll mention this, and that's why every unboxing I've done, every Telfar handbag unboxing, I've shared this. Get on the email list. That is literally number one. The reason why I say that's number one is you will not know when something is going to come out if you're not on the email list. Even if you follow him on Instagram, which I also recommend as well, even if you follow him on Instagram, you know how the feed works. If you're not liking things, if you're not viewing things, it's not going to show up on your feed. What does that mean? That means that you're not going to know when something's coming out just based off of you following this person. Again, it's great to follow them. Maybe if you're liking his stuff and you're interacting with the Telfar web page, then you'll know it's coming out. But if you're not, you're going to miss it. So subscribe and get on the email list so that you're getting those emails that are telling you when things are coming out. Number two, Telfar does the, what is it called? The bag security program. So what that entails is he'll send you an email. Again, why you want to get on the email list, you'll receive an email and it will tell you on so-and-so date, for 24 hours or 48 hours, you'll be able to go on our website and you're able to pre-order whatever color handbag you want. There are no limits. You can get any size, anything. There are no limits. You can just order them. The trick to that is you're not going to get them immediately. You're not. Because, and this is my assumption as how business works. He'll take all those orders and then he'll go out to the designer, the people that create his product. They have to put the orders in. It takes time to make it. It takes time for things to ship, especially during these times, COVID times. Things are difficult. Shipping is difficult. Products, all that kind of stuff is difficult material. So it takes some time. I did one of the secure your bag programs. I think that's what it's called. I believe last month, and I'm not expected to receive my item until March of 2022. So that's what I mean. It's a way to get your hands on something. If you don't want it fast, then it's definitely a way to get your hands, especially if you're looking for like some of his classic colors. It's a way to get your hands on one of the handbags. Definitely pay attention to the security program. I'm not knocking it. What I'm saying is you have to be patient because you're not going to get it right away. The third way to get your handbag, and I feel like this is key. This is key. He says it on his website. I'm not sure how many people pay attention to it, and you have to be fast. You have to be fast. Regardless if you do this or not, this third option that I'm sharing with you guys, regardless if you do it or not, you still have to be fast. So if you get an email and it says to you at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will be releasing these handbags, you better be on that website at, I don't know, 8:58 a.m. because trust and believe there are other people waiting for these handbags as well. I know there are people that don't care for these handbags. This video is not for you. This video is not for you. If you do not like the Telfar shopping bags, it's not for you. You don't need to comment in the comment section down below. This is for the people who love Telfar handbags, want to support the brand, and are trying to get their hands on a handbag. This is who I'm filming this video for. So the third and final thing is the Klarna. Klarna, I think that's how you say it. Klarna. So you get the app, and I'll show you guys what it looks like because I actually have it. So you go on and It pretty much looks like this, right? This is what you get. And then you search Telfar. Again, this is the app. So you search it, it brings you, let's see if I can get you on there. Sorry guys, what I've decided I'm gonna do is I'll actually just screen record it and put it here. So what you're gonna be seeing right now, so I'm on the Klarna, thing that I really do think that's how you say it, app store. So I'm gonna go to the Telfar. As you saw, it's in my recents, so it just pops up, right? When I'm getting ready to shop for my item 24 hours in advance. So let's say at 9 a.m. I know a handbag's coming out. On, I don't know, December 15th, a handbag's coming out. On December 14th, probably at like, already by like noon, I'm gonna go into the Klarna app. I'm gonna go into, it's not the pay section. I'm sorry, it is the pay section. You're gonna go to the pay. You're gonna hit create a one-time card. You're gonna go see how it says, how much is your purchase? So you wanna know in advance what it is that you're getting, right? So if you're getting a handbag that's, let's say you're getting a small Telfar, I think those are $150. With tax, let's just assume that in total you're gonna do $200 because you wanna add the taxes in there. It's a one-time card. It's an easy way because they already obtain everything, right? So you'll put in, let's say $200 in here. You're gonna hit continue. It'll say add extra shipping and tax, like I said, because you wanna take those things into consideration. And on here it shows you add 10% or just continue without adding. I would do continue without adding because I did the $200 portion, right? You hit continue and you continue on with the process. That's what you do. This way, and unfortunately I'm not purchasing a Telfar handbag, so I can't really show you step by step how to do it. But that's what you want to do. Continue those steps. So you want to do that ahead of time. So you're not going to do this the day before, the day of, I'm sorry. You're not going to do this the day of the product coming out. You're going to do it 24 hours, and at least that's the max you can do, the 24 hours. So you can do it 20 hours before, 16 hours before, but you don't want to do it the day of because you want to have all these steps in place so that when you're going to purchase your Telfar handbag, you're going to go back on that Klarna app. And that is how you're going to purchase your Telfar handbag. You're going to follow those steps, and that is how you're purchasing. If you want to know all this information, because I know all of this information by going on the Telfar website and reading step by step how to do things. So my recommendation is, yes, you've watched this video and you know that these are the steps you need to take, but also go on the website and follow those steps, because he gives you instructions as to how to get a handbag, because he's fully aware as to how sought after his items are. Great for him. Congratulations to him. It's a great thing, and he just keeps doing better. I'm hoping that his brand takes off and it's not solely, which he's not only doing shopping bags at this point, he's done boots, he's doing coats, he's doing all that stuff, which is great. I'm excited to see what his brand continues to do, because the way he's taken off, it's amazing for his brand. Like, it's amazing what his brand has done. But yeah, what you want to do is you want to go back on the site on the shop.telfar.net, and you want to go and read the instructions on the Klarna piece, because it says every single thing here. And then there's a question section, which they've clearly had questions before and they've answered it. So yeah, if you're looking to get a Telfar handbag, those are the tips that I can give you right now. I cannot guarantee that by following the steps that I just gave you that you will definitely get a handbag. You have to do your part as well. Get on there early, because you're not gonna expect a bag to come out at 9 a.m. and you're gonna go on the website at 9:05 a.m. and expect a handbag. Not a Telfar handbag, because those things sell out. You have to do your part and you have to get on there early, and hope that the steps that I've shared with you and getting that app and putting your money in advance, that you'll be able to get a handbag. Again, I cannot guarantee it, but at least your chances of getting one way higher than by just going on and thinking that by putting it in your shopping bag and then putting in your credit card information or your debit card, whatever card you're using information, that you have enough time to know. By the time you've put in credit card, sold, gone, sold out. So use the Klarna app. That is key. That is how your chances of getting a handbag goes up way more. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, then give this video a thumbs up. Guys, giving my video a thumbs up is what gets my video out there. Like I mentioned with Instagram, if you're following someone, if you're not liking their stuff, it doesn't show up on their feed. If you're not liking my stuff, but you enjoy my stuff, it's not going to show up on your feed. So give my videos a thumbs up, get it to get out there, share it with others to get my videos out there. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. See you in the next video.